Hello kids, I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, are you ready for your maths class? Yes. Now, today I am going to introduce a chapter, large numbers. In class 3 children, you have learned up to 10,000, right? If I ask you what is the greatest 4-digit number, so all of you know it is 9999, and when we add 1 in that we get the number 10,000, means ones, tens, hundred, thousand and up to 10,000. So if I ask you the number up to 10,000, you can easily read and write. But what will happen if the number is 5 or 6 digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So you know up to 10,000. So you can say it is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. But what about these places? So children, just to read and write the large numbers, there are two methods, right? The first method is Indian number system, or you can say Indian system of numeration, and the second method is international system of numeration, right? Of numeration. Now children, the main thing is that to read and write large numbers, what is the first thing that you will have to do? The first thing is that we just put commas in that, right? But here the main thing problem is here, or you can say the main thing is here by which method? Because in both the methods you place the comma in different ways, right? So first I am going to tell you about the Indian system of numeration. Now children, let's see what is that Indian system of numeration. As I have given here this digit, this is 6-digit number and this one is 7-digit number. If I ask you to read out the number children, so it will be very difficult for you to read it out. So what is the first thing you will have to do? For that, we just put comma, right? If we put commas in that number, it will be easy for us to read and write. So according to the Indian system, we will just put the commas. So first listen, what is Indian system? In Indian system, first is period. This period, it is divided into 3 columns, that is ones, thousands and lakhs. Right children? Now again, this period, in ones period children, you will see it is divided into 3 places. Here it will be divided into 3 places. What is that 3 place? Ones, tens and hundred. Then in thousands you will get only 2 places, 1,000 and 10,000. In lakhs again you will get 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So these are the places. Right children? Now, suppose if I have given you the number 94567. Now here 2130895. Now just see. Here I am giving you the example. Now, if I ask you, just please write down these numbers under the correct places. So how will you write down? 7 ones, 6, 5, 4 and 9. Right? Now, in this children, you just see what is the place of 4? 1,000. What is the place of 9? That is 10,000. Now, to put commas, what we will see? We see the periods. The first comma will come here before the ones period. It means it will come here. Right? Here. Now, again the second comma, it will be in before thousands period, and that will be lakhs. So here when you will have to put comma, the first comma will come. You can count ones, tens, hundred. It means this is ones period, right? Just make it separate. Now, 1000, 10,000. So, next comma will come here. It is 1000 period and it is lakh period. Now, you see, it is very easy for you to read the number now. It is 9,99,999. Isn't it? Wrong. The next is here. It is 7-digit number. Again, the first comma will come. To separate the period, separate the ones period by putting comma. Now there are 2 places in thousand, so put the comma here. Now there are 2 places in lakh, so put the comma here. Now you can easily just read and write the number after putting the comma. And what will be the number now? It will be 99,99,999, right? Okay, just see, it is so easy for us after putting the comma. Now the first comma will come before 3 places, the next will come before 2 places, like this. Now in this number, now again when you write it down, always start writing down from the ones. 5, 9, then 8, 0, 3, 1 and 2. Now just see children, why we have just made that place value chart. Now from that place value chart, you can easily tell the place value and the period, right? If I ask what is the period of this 9, as you know, these 1000 and 10,000, right? They both come in which period? 1000 period. So you will say the period of this 9 is 1000, right? And in lakhs, 10 lakh and lakh, it comes in lakhs period. And in ones, there are 3 places, ones, tens and 100. So it comes in ones period. If I ask you what is the place of 6, so you will say the place of 6 is tens, right? And what is the period? Period is ones, because ones, tens and 100, it comes in ones period. So from this place value chart, you can easily tell the place value and the period of the number. Now children, let's see the example. Here in this question, you will have to mark the period by placing the commas and write the number name. And you will have to do it by Indian system of numeration. So this system you will have to follow, right? So according to in the Indian number system, the first comma will come for the ones period, means before here. Then second before the 1000 here. So it is ones period, 1000 and lakhs. And when you write down the number name, you will write down 3, then write down the period, lakh. Then just read out the numbers of the same period together. 56. What is the period? 1000. Then 900. 900 and 87. 87. So children, in that ones period, at last you will not write down ones. Okay. But in lakhs and thousand, after the number you will write down as 3,56,000. But not in ones. Now just see the next example. Again, first thing, before 3 places, means just separate the ones period. Now this one is 1000, so place the comma here, and this one is lakhs. So children, if you want to write down like this, you can write it down so that it will be easy for you. Now here 42 lakh, because both the number of the same period, you will just read out together. It will be 42 lakh. As in 1000 place, you see in both the 1000 place no number is there, so you will skip it and write down 600 and 12. Now children, our next question is write the smallest 5-digit number in words. So in this type of question, children, what is the first thing you will do? You don't write down the answer directly. First you will write down smallest 5-digit number. Right? Write down in figure. So what is the smallest 5-digit number? As you know, 1 and 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, the most important thing, you just put the comma. And after that, you write down in words. Whatever has been asked, it will be ones. This is ones period. This is 1000. So you will write down the answer 10,000. Right? Again, in the next question, write the greatest 7-digit number in figures by separating periods. So here again you will write down what is the greatest 7-digit number. The greatest 7-digit number is equal to 199,123,4,5,6,7. Means 7 times 9. And after that you will have to separate it according to the Indian number system. So ones, tens, hundred, it means here it is ones period, then both thousands period. Right children? So like this you will do both the sums. Now children, in the next question you will have to find out the numerals for the following number names. So what is the easy method of doing this type of sum? I am going to tell you the easy method, and that is, first just see the highest place. 55,000 means up to 10,000. So you write down the places ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Right children? And after that, below it you just write down the numbers 55,000 and 72. As there is no number for hundreds place, so 0, write down 0 over there. And now what is missing here? Yes, you will have to put comma. If you don't put comma, your answer will not be completed. Now, the next is 7 lakh. So here the highest place is lakh, right? And 7 lakh, so it means you will write down up to lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. And now write down the number 7 lakh 43,000 and 75. Here again 100 is missing and 75. So when you will just put the comma here, this ones will be separated. Now after that 1000. So answer will be 7,43,075. Now children, our next question is about face value and place value. So what is the face value of a number? Face value of a number is the value of that digit is a number. It means here the number is 75639 and you will have to find out the face value of 5. So what is the face value? The value of that digit means 5. Here the face value of 5 will be 5. The face value of 3 will be 3. Face value of 7 will be 7. Now the next is place value. Place value means face value into value of its place. Suppose if the number, here you will have to find out the place value of 5. So what is the face value of 5? 5. And you will multiply it by what is the place of that digit? That is 1000. So its place value will be 5,000. Right? In the same way we will do these sums. Write the numbers in a place value chart and write the place value of the underlined digit. So here, what is the first thing you will do? You will write down this number under the correct places. Now 0, always start writing from ones, 2, 3, 100 place, 6,000 place, 5, 10,000 and 7 lakh. Here you will have to tell the place value of 7. So place value of 7 means 7 into, what is the place of that 7? It is lakh. And in lakh, how will you write it down? lakh, in lakh there are 5 zeros, right? So you can write down 7 lakh. That is the place value of the digit. Or you can write down like this also, 7 lakhs. Right children? In both the way. Or you can write down either in one way. In the next number, again first you write down under the correct places 5, 2, 3, 6 and 9. So here you will have to find out the place value of 2. 2. Write down 2 into, what is the place of 2? Tens. So you will multiply by 10 and 20. Or you can also write down 2 tens. So children, like this you will find out the place value and face value of any digit. Now children, let's see the other question. Here you will have to tell the period, place value and the face value of the colored digit. Means this one, right? So what is the first thing you will do? That in this you just see there is no comma, right? So to read and write any number, the first very important thing is that you will have to put comma there. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, ones, tens, 100, then this is 1000 period, then this is ones period, thousands period and lakh period, right? Divide them into periods. After them it will be very easy for you. Now as you know, what is the period? This is ones, this is thousand and this one is lakh. You can write down this also with the pencil, right children? Now here you will have to tell the period, place value and face value of 8. So what is the period of 8? 8 is at thousands place, so its period will be 1000. Place, that will also be 1000. What is the place value? Place value will be 8 into 1000 means 8000 and the face value will be 8. Right children? Again you just see, divide them into periods. This is ones, thousand and lakh. If you divide it like this with the pencil, it will be easy. Now 4. What is the period of 4? Lakhs. What is the place? Again lakh. Place value 4 lakh. So how will you write on 4 lakh? 4 and 5 0. There are 5 0 in lakhs. And what is the face value? The number itself means 4. Now in the next question, again you divide. It is ones period, it is thousand period and this one is lakh. Right children? So 5. 5, what is the period of 5? Lakh. Place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 5, 10 lakhs. So you will write down the place 10 lakh. And what is the place value? 5 10 lakh. 5 tens means 50 lakh. Right? And its face value will be 5. So children, like this you will just take out period, place value and face value. I hope it is clear to you.